Are your dumps so solid your family's asleep? Introducing the original Diarrhea Factory. The diarrhea system that makes strawberries extraordinary, compatible with all forms of diarrhea. Try Dunkin' Graham's crackers. You can dip, dunk, fill, or pour diarrhea. The old diarrhea system burns the diarrhea, fills your house with the odor of shit. The new double diarrhea boiler is like 2 bedpans in one. First, bring some piss to a rolling boil. Then, use your favorite type of diarrhea, sensational fecal slop that you can make at home. Don't be shy. Try dunking fruit and stuff in there. Use Diarrhea Philip Snowman mold. Use Diarrhea Philip Teddy Bear mold. Make an entire dazzling diarrhea display for fraction of price. The original Diarrhea Factory comes with all of this good stuff. It's got molds, it's got book, and these diarrhea extras for only $19.95. Here's how to order.
Call 1-800-592-3388 and order the Diarrhea Factory for $19.95 plus shipping and handling. You must be 18 years or older to call. Use your mom's card. Use your daddy's card. Get on there. They don't need them all. They got so many cards.